Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook account. So in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account. If you want to back up your information from the company server, so Facebook has a tool that will help you download all your data in one manageable zip file. So you can also download your information from the your Facebook information page in settings, as well as you shown below. You can see in the screen. So first of all, you have to go to Facebook on the browser and head to the Facebook setting page. Then click your Facebook information and then select the deactivation and deletion. After this option, from this list of the setting available, so now you have to click on the box next to permanently delete account, and then click continue to delete account deletion. So when you are ready to proceed, you have to before you go on, Facebook will warn you about the that you want to go along with the permanently deleting your account or not. Now click on the delete account button. After this, as one last security step, you have to enter your password before you can delete your account. Then click continue. After doing that, so at least you will get one final message from the Facebook informing you that in case if you change your mind, the company will hold on to your profile and data for last 30 days after the deletion. So click the delete account button to proceed, and then after 30 days your account will be deleted and cannot be retrieved. So be careful before deleting your account. So that's all. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.